Alright, so today we're going to do a geography skill using special purpose maps, and this is our vegetation map, and this will come in handy. You guys will need this for when you complete activity page 70. In chapter 6, you learned about special purpose maps. We've touched on it a little bit, but this is one we're going to talk about first. Alright, vegetation maps are our focus for today. They show the kind of plant life that grows throughout an area. Vegetation maps can include forest, deserts, and even wetlands. Different kinds of vegetation grow in each of these areas. In forest, you find trees. In wetlands, you find tall, marshy grasses. Alright, and we can see all of the different kinds. And this map is a much better picture than the one that you will find on your activity page. So if you are doing, when you are doing activity page 7 or 70, if you want to flip your book back open to this page and use it instead, this will be immensely helpful. It'll make it a little bit easier for you. So we're just going to run through it. So locate the title of the map. Map A, United States Vegetation. And the title of this map is United States Vegetation. It shows the different kinds of plants that are found throughout our country. Where's our map key? Our map key is over here. So on this map, dark blue represents wetlands. So we're going to give it a go on these two little maps. So study map B on this page. Use it to answer the following questions. What is the title of this map? Map B, Wyoming Vegetation. Why is this a vegetation map? And remember, vegetation shows the plant life that grows throughout an area. Okay, good, because it clearly shows the different kinds of vegetation that are going to grow throughout there. But there's how many? I think there's going to be less, don't you think, than there's going to be on A? Or I think there were more on A. That's what I'm trying to say. What does the color yellow stand for? All right, look at your map key. Good, it is grassland. What type of vegetation areas are shown on map A, but not on map B? So on map B, we have desert, forest, and grassland. Desert. Okay, these three are shown here. So if we go back to A, well, there's desert, there's forest, there's grassland. Okay, there's three more. So we have tropical, tundra, and wetland. All right, those are three that are not found in Wyoming. Now we're going to go over to this one, extending it. Map C, Wyoming precipitation. All right, and this one is going to tell you in the map key, average yearly precipitation. So inches and centimeters. All right, and so the darker the color, the more rain they get. Vegetation maps can help you better understand climate. Different plants grow in different climates. Desert scrub lives on a small amount of water. Trees and grasses need a heavy amount of rain to survive. Compare map B to map C, a precipitation map of Wyoming. Then answer the following questions. Where are the forests mainly found in Wyoming? All right. So let's look at it closely. If we look here, so forests are here, which got here and here and here. If we notice something about forest, okay, we're looking at our colors here, and we're looking at our colors here. What do you notice that's between these two? Okay, something I noticed is that wherever there's a forest, there tends to be a darker color, which means this area gets more rain. Are the deserts located in the eastern, central, or western part of the state? Okay, desert is the orange. And again, if we look here, there's going to be a little bit less rain where there's deserts. All right. Yes, you are correct. It's about southwest, so western part of the state. Which area receives the most rain? All right, so who gets the most? Deserts, forest, or grassland? Good, forest. And where in Wyoming is there the most rain? In the south, in the east, west? Good, it is mostly in the west, but there are, little patches. How can reading vegetation maps help you understand plants and climate? All right, by understanding how much water an area gets, you can easily figure out what kind of plants are going to live in this area, or how many animals are going to live in this area. The more rain there is, the more chances there are for more life to survive